What's up everybody, it's Richie Rich aka Gold Pinky Toe here today to show you how to set up a standard mousetrap. Before I get into showing you how to set it up, I'm going to go ahead and do a slight overview of the mousetrap so that you understand everything that is a part of this trap and what it's used for. So first and foremost, you'll notice that when you receive this, if you've had it shipped to you or you buy it from the store, this long bar here up the side will be in that position. There's also two little pinholes here. That's because typically there's a staple that holds this long bar into place for packaging, but I've went ahead and removed it for the purposes of this video. Now with that being said, this piece right here is going to be your spring-loaded bar. What that will do is when you pull it back to set this trap, this foot plate, which is what the rodent will step on to get the bait or touch it to get the bait, is what will actually trigger this bar to come off of it and slam the spring-loaded bar forward onto the rodent. When you're setting this trap, this foot plate here has like a V groove, a lip right here, and that's where we're actually going to put the tip of that bar resting underneath of it. So the first step to do is to go ahead and put this bar backwards like that out of your way. The next step is to go ahead and pull the spring-loaded bar back and hold it in place. Now you have two options here. You can go ahead and put some bait on here prior to setting it, or you can wait till after you set it. However, it is very tricky and pretty much hard to get it on there without triggering this. So I would go ahead and probably put my bait on right now if I was doing this to set out as a trap. So my next step would be is to take this bar and get it as straight as possible on this eye hook. Get as straight as possible on that while pressing the spring-loaded bar down and holding this bar as straight as you can get it. You'll want to maneuver the foot plate into place. So again, you want this long bar to rest underneath the V-lip of the tab that is here. When you have that in as good a position you think you can, with your left hand slowly raising up, you want the spring-loaded bar to give tension onto the trap to hold it into place until you can get it positioned, like so. And then when you pick it up, you just need to be careful. But that'll show you how I have the bar attached underneath that little V-lip there to hold it down so the foot plate's up. So if I have a little piece of bait here, a rodent will come in, hit this foot plate, which will knock this tab connected to the bar off of its axis and pushing the spring-loaded bar forward to kill or trap the rodent. Easy enough, but that gives you better insight to how it should actually look when it is set up, and also the easiest way to probably just go ahead and put your trap together. If you guys like what you see, go ahead, like and subscribe while you're here. Also, if you have any comments or questions, please go ahead and put them down below. I'll try to answer them, as best as possible when I can. Other than that, y'all have a great day. Thank you.